Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a startup demonstration on a 1935 unstyled John Deere A, and we're also going to do a little drive around, show some people how to drive it if they don't know how to. So let's go ahead and get this guy running. First step we're going to do is open up the Intergraph petcocks on each side, and then turn the gas on. We're going to give it a little bit of frickin' throttle. That should do. And then we're going to put the choke on completely, and we'll check the gas in it. Otherwise, you will find yourself stranded. Just got some gas in it, enough for what we're going to do. Okay, so once we're there, we're fully choked, we're going to make sure right here, we're going to start cranking this guy over. Once it pops, then you take it off choke. I usually go about 7/8 the way back, and then I do it again. Okay, now we're on the tractor. So first thing you're going to want to do is disengage your clutch. I got it in right now, so we're going to pull back. We're going to pull a little bit, and you're going to stop the flywheel, or not the flywheel, the belt pulley or the clutch or whatever you want to call it from spinning. And then right here, you got high-low. Right now we're in low. So we're going to go ahead and put this guy in first gear. And then all you have to do is push this guy in, and there you are, taking the old A for a spin. Right here's your throttle. The more you push ahead, the more RPMs the engine will give you. What a beautiful tractor though, it's a nice one. We'll take that down for now, but now, for the sake of it, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the clutch back, like so. And then you got a brake on the left and a brake on the right. We're gonna go ahead and throw her in second gear low. So then again, you're gonna push the clutch in, and we're off again. I always like the sound of them 2 cylinders. Yeah, and then if you want to turn sharp, you go press down that one brake and turn a little bit. She'll turn on a dime. We'll do it on the right side now. So I'll press down and turn at the same time. See? She turns a little bit. So we're going to disengage the clutch, like so, until she comes to a stop. Now we're going to go ahead and try it in high. Now we're in high. Now we're in second gear high. Let's go ahead and push ahead. See, now we got ourselves a nice down the road kind of a gear. I usually take this guy down the road sometimes, but for the sake of what we're doing now, I don't know if I'm going to fit through here. I guess that's a good thing, because now I can show you another thing. So, we're gonna go in reverse, but the thing about it is you have to always be in low. So we'll go back to low. All right, now we're back in low. Now we're in reverse. Same thing, push the hand clutch in. Now we're going backwards. Just like so. All right, maybe we'll just take her down the road for a little bit now. So we'll push the clutch in. To get straight. Oh, we're in low. Let's get out of low. Let's put her in high. We're going down the road. She needs high. All right. Here we go. The old Johnny Popper. She's going to be 90 years old soon, and she still runs pretty strong. But this is as fast as it goes. Second gear high. This is it. It's a pretty good parade tractor, though, if you want to use it in a parade. I mean, second gear, you know, you creep along a little bit, so it's just a good parade tractor. You know, you got the nice round spokes on each side and in the front. It'll for sure catch people's eyes. But we'll come up to this little turnaround area, and I'll turn her around, and we're going to take her back to the shop. Yeah, look at them nice decals. It's always a good day just to get these guys out and run them. She runs pretty good too. She sounds pretty good. We'll increase the RPMs a little bit, give her some throttle. All right, we're back to the shop. Shut it on. All we're going to do is push the throttle back. And that's it. And we shut the gas off. And I always like to open these up on each side. That way, when it comes to doing it again or starting it again, you got a easier time starting it. But nice tractor, nice little drive. Thanks for watching.